Hey guys, this is Razvan Dragos, and today we have a Speck Presidio iPhone X case. This is black in color, 10 feet of drop protection. And this is the back of the box. There's some more information about it. To open it, just pops up like that. Got some more information right here. And the case itself. There's the inside of it. That new technology to protect it from drops. And a soft material so it doesn't scratch up the phone. Take your black iPhone X and slide it in. There's the lip protection. Very nice. On the bottom you got your cutouts, the charging port, the microphone, and the speaker. There's the corner protection on all four. Power button. Very easy to press. Volume up and down. And the mute switch. Easy to reach. Camera is also protected, and nothing on top. Now we're gonna bring in a white iPhone X and see how that looks. Right now we're back with the white iPhone X. Slide this in. As you can see, not much of a difference, except for maybe the camera cutout and the cutouts for the sides and the bottom. This was Razvan Dragos, and thank you for watching.